Add the nanners. Add the nanners. Cover it up. Can't find the lid, somewhere around here. Anyway, cover it up. Blend a little. Blend a little. Now onto the biscuit.